Sexiest woman alive. Janine, inihahandog sa kanyang mamita pilita ang kaseksihan. Nagpasalamat ang aktres na si Janine Gutierrez sa pagkilala sa kanya bilang sexiest woman alive at sinabing inihahandog niya ito sa kanyang mamita. Sa kanyang Instagram post, sinabi ni Janine na isang karangalan ang naturang pagkilala. Si Janine ay piniling sexiest woman alive of 2026 ng Esquire magazine. Thank you for having me, Esquire Philippines. I am so honored and happy to be the latest addition to your roster of incredible Filipinas. What makes me happiest about this is I know that Mamita would have loved this shoot. She always loved anything sexy and feminine and fun and strong. Ani Janine, nang tinutukoy na Mamita ay ang yumao niyang lola na si Pilita Corrales. I dedicate it to her, my sexiest woman ever. Pahayag pa ni Janine. Inula naman ng mga papuri ang naturang post na yon ni Janine. Beautiful as always. This deserve a tarp. Only if its Philippines is proud of you. Hot. Thank you for your support. Grabe siya, super duper hot. At Janine Gutierrez. Same, Queen. So gorge. Okay po. Wow. Sexiest woman alive in this world. Queen. Kabog. Wow, pasabog yan. Wow, every slide is so nice. Every photo is fire. You are the total package. Hot, yet classy and chic. Hindi bastusin or trying hard. Burn. Janine. Unapologetically and confidently sexy at 36. Hot. That last photo. VS model. Perfection. Janine Gutierrez. Where is the leather jacket from? Love. Simply gorgeous. Wow, so gorgeous. Amazing, beautiful. Diyosa ng kagandahan. Guwapa. Ganda palagi. Wow, hot na hot. So pretty and gorgeous. Obsessed. Hindi siya yung tipo ng bastusin. Love you, girl. Crush. Yummy. Girl on fire. Cindy Crawford Desque. Gorgeous. O diba? Halos iisan sinasabi na mga fanay na so sexy, so hot, at so pretty ng isang Janine Gutierrez. Kaya naman, so swerte talaga ng nobyong si Jericho Rosales. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.